The shipping containers carry shipments all across the globe. They have been useful tools for manufacturing companies. A shipping container is considered an intermodal freight container, that is, it can be moved from one mode of transport to another. It can be loaded on ships, on trains, and on trucks, thereby allowing goods transport via water, rail and road. They are sturdy, reusable and can carry about 27,600 kilograms. They can serve for a lifespan of 15 to 20 years, although the average container will spend more than half its life sitting empty and unused. They often don't return to their place of origin as it gets expensive to send them back. They end up piling up on ports or even construction sites. This is another example of the malfunction of international capitalism. They can be melted down, but that requires over 8,000 kilowatt-hours of energy for each container. So, mostly they end up getting rusted or are left in landfills. Upcycling shipping containers could help to reduce container waste and carbon emissions. Keep watching this video to learn about some of the most interesting ways in which people are upcycling standard shipping units other than for housing and apartment construction. One of the huge benefits of shipping containers lies in the fact that they are so spacious. As a result, many people have been taking the initiative to create public businesses within their hollows. And why not? Shipping containers can be modified and decorated to create quirky, contemporary spaces which can be quickly moved from location to location. Container cafes are great as they can be transported and installed as part of traveling shows and fairs. They also don't come with any of the financial hassles of commercial building rental and ownership. While you may need to obtain specific licenses to run your cafe space, half of the battle is getting set up physically. The coffeehouse company, Starbucks, has invested in over 40 stores that are constructed entirely out of shipping containers as part of their sustainable initiative. Yoav Messer architects have proposed a unique design for the 160 meters long bridge that will act as a gateway to Ariel Sharon Park in Tel Aviv. The e-container bridge is their winning proposal based on the idea of reuse, which will be constructed entirely of old containers and supported on 3 tree columns. The bridge will be actively used by pedestrians, bicycle riders, and shuttles which will escort people from the parking area to the park. Storage containers make excellent venues for many types of events, including concerts and parties. They are easy to build, can be finished within days, and also offer functional spaces at the same time. They can handle the weight of a band on the upper level, and the weight of partygoers on the lower level, without breaking a sweat. And producers frequently seek quirky spaces to put on standout shows. Adapted shipping containers can provide a brilliant solution as they can be craned into place and modified to create a memorable theatrical experience for an audience. Shipping containers can easily be modified to create a sleek swimming pool or hot tub that can be placed either above ground on a shallow gravel or concrete bed, or beneath the ground. With lower running costs than traditional swimming pool, no need to seek planning permission and plenty of design options, shipping container pools can be a fantastic, fun alternative. They can be made in any size and shape, and they're perfect for people who want an eco-friendly pool that's also low maintenance. A shipping container workshop is a perfect option for the person who wants to be green while still having a functional workspace. Repurposed shipping containers are also hardy and able to withstand many types of work or repairs you might be utilizing the space for. Zubabox is a shipping container converted into a solar-powered internet cafe developed by Computer Aid International. The first Zubabox was employed in Zambia to be used by Johns Hopkins Malaria Research Institute. Solar power allows communities to use computers and the internet in areas that lack electricity. The batteries save enough energy for 10 hours of consecutive usage each day by 11 concurrent users. The concept of refurbished and upcycled furniture has been trending for quite some time now. The Brazilian firm Contain It has designed an exclusive collection of furniture and lights from discarded shipping containers. Their innovative designs include a lounge chair, hanging lights, side lamps, coffee table, dining table, vases, etc. Storage containers can provide much-needed extra medical space for communities in need, particularly during global health crises like COVID-19. During the pandemic, these containers were often set up in the parking lot of pharmacies to conduct testing, both to add more space and keep potentially contagious patients away from other shoppers. These containers can also be used to increase bed capacity without putting other patients at risk. Shipping containers are also an affordable way to construct clinics in developing countries where resources are scarce. Think of this as a tiny home on wheels. 20ft. Shipping containers can be converted into campers to provide you with plenty of space on the go for your future adventures. Best of all, the containers act as a blank canvas, so you can make the space truly your own. Shipping containers can be repurposed to act as funky art galleries, whether permanent structures or pop-up galleries. Containers allow these spaces to be built efficiently and provide the perfect blank canvas for artists to make the space truly their own. One of the most famous examples is the GAD Mobile Art Gallery, made from reclaimed shipping containers stacked together. The containers can be designed with climate-controlled hydroponic vertical farms. Since it's vertical, hydroponic farms produce much more vegetables or fruits than that of an ordinary greenhouse farm. These units can be located anywhere and provide fresh produce throughout the year. In 2015, this revolutionary practice was listed among the World Economic Forum's top 10 urban innovations. Your imagination is your only limit when it comes to creativity with shipping containers. Create flexible, portable and affordable spaces for work, play, for shopping, medicinal supply and more.